Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top 5 Best Osprey Aircraft Blocks Reviews 2026. Number 5, Military V-22 Osprey Tiltrotor Building Block Set is a large-size, high-fidelity model kit designed for aviation enthusiasts and collectors. It features a realistic sliding roller structure and detailed rotating propellers that replicate the iconic tiltrotor aircraft design. Made from durable building bricks, it offers a challenging and enjoyable DIY assembly experience that improves creativity and focus. Once completed, it becomes an impressive display model, making it ideal as a gift. Number 4, Wickabo MOC 1389 PCS V-22 Tiltrotor Aircraft Building Block Set is a detailed military-style airplane model kit designed for kids and adult collectors. It replicates the V-22 Tiltrotor aircraft with realistic helicopter and plane hybrid design. Made from high-quality building bricks, it offers an engaging DIY assembly experience that enhances creativity, patience, and problem-solving skills. Once completed, it serves as a stylish home decor display piece, making it a great gift. Number 3, Cavalworld Mach V-22 Osprey Tiltrotor Aircraft Building Block Set is a detailed military-style construction model kit designed for enthusiasts and collectors. It recreates the iconic V-22 Osprey with realistic tiltrotor design and 360 degrees rotating propellers for added authenticity. Made from durable building bricks, it offers an engaging DIY assembly experience that improves creativity, focus, and fine motor skills. Once completed, it serves as an impressive display model, making it ideal. Number 2, 1480 PCS Technical V-22 Tiltrotor Aircraft Building Blocks is a detailed military-style DIY construction set designed for kids and adult hobbyists. It features a realistic V-22 aircraft model with hybrid helicopter and airplane design. Made from high-quality bricks, it offers a challenging and engaging building experience that improves creativity, focus, and problem-solving skills. Once assembled, it becomes a strong display model, making it a great gift for aviation fans and building. Number 1, 2026 New 1389 PCS V-22 Tiltrotor Aircraft Building Blocks is a detailed military-style construction set designed for kids and adult collectors. It recreates the iconic V-22 tiltrotor aircraft with realistic helicopter and airplane hybrid features. Made from durable bricks, it offers a challenging and fun DIY building experience that improves creativity, patience, and hand-eye coordination. Once assembled, it serves as an impressive display model, making it an ideal gift for aviation.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.